They say Missouri means people with wooden canoes in the language of the Sioux. In summer, we Missourians head to the water like ski regions. Some find salvation in the lake, others, like us, chase the current. This was my wife's first real canoe camping trip, and not a kayak with KOA showers or lanterns, lit bathrooms. We're talking about the real things here: river fire, gravel bar trains, and the stars at your only roof.
Stuff?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
We don't have much. We just have this.
Oh, okay. You need to carry wood too, just so you know.
What?
I'm gonna cut wood.
What is my muscle?
Oh, I have A1 sauce too. If you want that. Yeah. It's a lot of work. What I'm doing.
No, I think this two are like they got it down to the T.
Yeah. 40-something pounds. Man, I need something like this. Yeah. So let me try out this one first. You know.
We start Baptist camp access, 2 canoes, 4 paddlers, and 1 river swollen from the season of storms. We were joined by 2 new friends from Kansas City, fellow outdoor in the best sense.
Okay.
I took the stern for the first time. That meant I was the one steering, or at least pretend to.
Getting on it. Coming in.
The current river doesn't take orders. It curves and sighs and throws down some tree like a drunk poet looking for a fight.
Yeah, we got 2. The pocket one didn't work for some reason.
This section Baptist to Aker Ferry was no lazy flow. Flooding had left the river with clutter, with obstacles, strainers, sweepers, twists with block jams that whisper, mess up here, and you will remember it forever. But that's part of it, isn't it? camping on the bank, just us, the fire, and the hush of night. It felt like we stepped into a different Missouri.
Anything else? Ready?
Exercise. Backstroke. Backstroke. Two. On the left backstroke. Kéo cái này lên trước. A lot of fucking exercise. It's hard work.
I actually noticed the open right there. Just walk around.
Let me hold on to the canoe.
Oh no.
The green water. The green water. The green.
Lock in the middle.
Yeah, that's a lock in the middle.
We recommend it.
Okay.
Cúi đầu xuống rồi.
Do you want a lot of water?
I experienced worse. We probably did like maybe no almost 2 miles. So.
Oh, okay, so it's not that bad. I thought we like did like a mile or half.
Oh, like,
No, I think past the road should be okay. Just a little rabbit here. Left đúng không? We're good, we're good, we're good. Good job, mama.
Along the river, we met fellow paddlers, strangers who waved, told stories, and float along us like old friends.
My horses.
Hello. Aker.
how do y'all like that canoe?
This is the first time we took it out here. It's light. We like it.
It's light?
Yeah. Yeah, but I'm not sure it's good for current river.
This section is very shallow, so we wanted to like rock on the bottom.
Yeah.
Some were draped in red, white, and blue, celebrating the 4th of July in the most American way possible. On the water, surrounded by
Cedar
freedom,
Grove.
family,
Yeah.
and firewood. And out there, barefoot, soaked, sunburned, and smiling, I felt something deeper than just happiness. I felt grateful. Grateful to live in a country where public lands they belong to the people. Grateful for the Ozarks, for the rivers, their unspoken wisdom. And grateful that we can paddle through this wild beauty with nothing but a canoe, a paddle, and the people we love the most. It's good to be an American. It's even better to remember why.
I know. Doesn't matter, hai bên cái đó là cái island.
The ride looks like it's less gravel,
Yeah,
right?
yeah. You gonna go this way? This is more calm.
We make dinner with smoke in our eyes, sand between our toes, and laughter that echo across the bluff. My little wifey, fearless for the first time, said this was the best night she had in years. That's the thing about the rivers. They don't just carry you downstream. They carry away the noise, the busy, the stress, the version of you that forgets to look up. Ozark in summer isn't just a place. It's a feeling, sweat, and rock, and water. Campfire coffee, morning mist, the howl of bar owl at 3 a.m. in the morning. It's being part of something older than asphalt and Wi-Fi. Something that carves in stone and softens hearts.
I gotta mentally be prepared for this. How long? Just 1, 2, 3 dip and then come back.
Yeah, just dip and come back.
We will remember this trip, not just for the dodged logs and paddle strokes, but for the way it made us feel. Like maybe we are just not floating through life, and maybe we are steering. Even if the river has the final say. The river doesn't care who you are, but if you listen closely, it might tell you who you have been all along. We didn't come here for luxury. We came here for something older, quieter, and real. The current river reminded us that the best memories aren't made by plans. They are made by moments, by weather, by water, by the people beside you in the boat. Next trip, we will bring fewer clothes, more stories, and the same open heart. This is Missouri, this is Ozark, and this is why we keep coming back.
Think about the gizzard the liver, the heart from last night.
No idea.
Do we have a name for this one?
Yeah.
Something expedition.
Tidal expedition. I think that will attract a lot of people.
No. It depends. The audience will go.
If this trip moved you even just a little, please subscribe We got more rivers to run, more meals to cook, and more stories to tell. Thank you for paddling with us. See you downstream.